bear, brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Yellow bird.
No, red, remember?
Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Oh. Okay.
Yellow duck, what do you Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
A purple cat or?
A blue horse looking at me.
There you go. Don't pick your nose. Ew. Blue horse.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple cat. Go ahead, Connors. Come on. You wanted to read this.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a golden fish looking at me. Golden fish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Come on, he already knows this.
Okay, well, go. Just want to show it to Daddy. Teacher?
Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see all of the animals now.
You're not going to name them? Let's name them.
Children, what do you see? I see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, and a blue horse, and a green frog, and a purple cat, and a white dog, and a black sheep, and a golden fish, and a teacher looking at me.
Hey, good job. Quit doing that. Good job. Good job.